To show you how to make $5 every day on Sproutgig, and Sproutgig is previously known as Pico Workers. And if I open up a new tab and put in Sproutgigs on my browser, it's going to bring me to this page, and you get to see where it says Sproutgigs, previously Pico Workers, right here. And this is actually a platform where you get to make money online just by completing simple, easy tasks. So if I literally come right here, you're going to see that there are lots of people making money on Sproutgig. You can see this person made $5, this one made $58, and if I scroll down here, you're going to see this person made $2,000 right here. This one made $1,000 here. This one made $151. This one made $633. So there are lots of people making money here on Sproutgig. And if you actually stay and watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you easy tasks that you can do here on Sproutgigs to literally make the most amount of money on this platform right here. So if you don't have an account yet, the next step is to click on the sign up button. Click on sign up, and you have something like this on your screen where it says put in your real name, your password as well. Then you need to select your nickname, you need to select your country, you need to click on I'm a worker, click on I agree to Pico Workers terms of service and privacy policy, and click on here which says send me news, events and offers via periodic email. That's if you want them to send you an email, and if not, you need to now click on sign up. That's if you don't want them to send you an email, you need to now click on the sign up button right here. After creating an account on Sproutgig, the next step is to now click on here which says switch to worker. You need to switch to worker and click on here, and now we are actually switched to worker. So you can also make money by selling out services here on Sproutgig. You can see that there are lots of people making money here. This one is selling for, this one also making money right here. You can see here is selling for $5 and he has made 12 sales, and this person right here is selling for $3 and has made 26 sales. This one here has also made money. So if you want to literally set up a service right here on Sproutgig, all you just need to do is just click on gigs right here and click on here. You get to now post your services here. You get to post your gig here on Sproutgig. Since we are interested in making money by completing tasks on Sproutgig, we need to now come here where it says micro jobs. Click on it, and you get to see where it says find jobs. Click on find jobs right there, and you're going to have all this on your screen. And there are lots of tasks here on Sproutgigs that you can literally do to make money online. So after clicking on find jobs, you're now going to have all this on your screen where you get to see lots of tasks that you can do here on Sproutgig. There are lots of tasks that you can do right here on Sproutgig. There are difficult tasks and there are easy tasks. So if you literally stick with me and watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you tasks that are very easy to complete, which also have high payout rate, and you're going to see that it's literally easy to complete those tasks. So I'm going to show you one of the most easy tasks that I literally like to do here on Sproutgig. So if I come right here and put in Gmail, if I put in Gmail right here and click on enter, you're going to see where it says Gmail create an account. So all these type of tasks, they are very easy to do, and you can see right here there are lots of tasks that you can do, and you can see that if you literally create lots of email right here, lots of Gmail accounts, you're going to make $2 because all these tasks are 37 right here, and if you do all these tasks right here, that's $2.96 right here. So it's very easy to make $5 every single day on Sproutgig. You just need to know the type of tasks that you need to literally do, and you can see here this literally takes anywhere from 2 minutes to complete all these tasks. They're very easy to do, and they are not complicated and they are not difficult. And I'm still going to show you other tasks that you can do as well, where you get to literally make the most amount of money here on Sproutgig. That's if you stay and watch this video to the end. Search bar and put in install and click on enter. You're going to see that there are lots of tasks that you can do right here under the install category. You can see here it says working app, install plus sign up. You get paid 0.250 cent, and if I scroll down here, you can see the next one here, which is Mara wallet, download plus install right here. You can see here 0.14 cent. This one also Sweatcoin, download plus install right here. You can see 0.14 cent, and there are lots of tasks that you can do, and you can see right here that it's very easy to make $5 every single day here on Sproutgig. And if you literally put in the work, you can make more than that. And you can see here it says my daily cash right here. Just download and install right here, you get paid 0.150 cent right here. My daily cash, download plus install right here, you're going to get paid 0.15 cent. And if I scroll down here, you can see that there are lots of tasks that you can do right here. You can see this one here, it says download plus install right here, 0.14 cents right there. You can see that there are lots of tasks that you can do under the install category. So there are lots of tasks that you can do right here. So I'm now going to move on to the next simple tasks that you can do right here on Sproutgig. So I'm just going to put in Reddit and click on enter, and you're going to see that there are lots of tasks here on Reddit as well. All you just need to do is just create a Reddit account and click on on all these tags right here, which literally says upvote. So once you click on this tag, they are gonna give you a specific instruction to upvote a post on Reddit, and once you complete it, you get paid 0.040 cents right here. So there are lots of tags that you can do under the Reddit category. So I'm now gonna move on to the next one here. The next one is simply just put in Facebook, click on enter, and under the Facebook here, you're going to see where it says micro influencer, like plus invite your friends. There is micro influencer, create an account. Once you create Facebook account right here, you get paid 0.140 cents. So I'm now gonna move on to the next one as well right here. So once you put in Instagram, just put in Instagram right there on the search bar, click on enter. Okay, there's no tags on Instagram. Just put in YouTube, click on enter. So these are the easy tags that you can do here on Sproutgigs. You can see right here it says subscribe to channel. So once you literally just subscribe to any channel on these tags right here that they actually instruct you to subscribe to, you literally get paid 0.50 cents. But normally there used to be lots of tags, but just keep on checking, you're still going to see lots of YouTube subscribe, and it's very easy to complete all those tasks right here. You can see right here 0.040 cents, and once you complete, you submit the proof that you subscribe, and you get paid this amount right here. So I'm not going to move on to the next tag that is very easy to complete. So if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to drop me a like and make sure to subscribe, turn on notification here on this search bar here. It's going to bring lots of tags under the follow category. You can see here it says Snapchat follow. You get paid 0.20 cents just to follow an account on Snapchat. You can see here also you get paid 0.200 cents right there. That's 0.20 rather. You get paid 0.20 cents right here as well. 0.020 here. You can see here Snapchat follow. You get paid 0.0020 just to follow Snapchat account right. So I'm now gonna move on to the next tag right here on the Instagram category. You can see here it says Instagram creating an account, and for creating an account you're going to get paid 0.14 cents. And you can see right here there are lots of tags that you can do here on the Instagram category. You can see right here you can create lots of accounts and you can make lots of money, and with this category alone you can make $2 every day on just creating an Instagram account on Sproutgigs right here. So you can see right here. So I'm going to move on to the next tags that you can do here on this platform and make money online. This one is the easiest one, and it has lots of tags that you can do. So if I put in SEO, you can see that there are lots of tags under the SEO category. You can see here is best SEO plus promote content engage. You can see right you're going to get paid 0.030 cents, and there are lots of tags that you can do here on the SEO category. You can see there are lots of tags that you can do, and here again it says promote plus engage, and also you're going to get paid 0.30 cents. And you can see that tax SEO category, and on this platform you can make $5 every day. You can make $5 every day. You can make $10 every day. You can make $15 every day on this platform. That's if you actually know the right type of tax that you can do.